Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, I want to introduce you to TPC Desktop 2014 Release 2. Let's pull down the Products tab at our website. Here's TPC Desktop 2014 Release 2, released October of 2014. This page brings up kind of some basic information about this release, and I just want to cover it here with you quickly. 2014 Release 0 came out in February. Release 1 in July, and Release 2 in October. These are agile releases. They're available to Connection members. So if you're on our TPC Connection, they're available to you. We post sort of the main features of each of these. So I'm going to back up real quickly to Release 0. A lot of things came out in Release 0 in February. Here's a little information on each one of them. Here's Release 1 that came out in July. It included a number of changes to COGO, relabeling points, introduced ellipses, some other things. And now this Release 2 that's presented here. Let's talk briefly then about what's in here. We added support for AutoCAD's arc-aligned text. TPC has labeled drawing objects for a long time. Tangents, spirals, curves, that sort of thing. But when you draw an arc on the screen, we can relate directly or correlate that directly to arc-aligned text in AutoCAD. And so we do. So we can now import and export these to CAD. And then we went ahead and created a round survey stamp for states like North Dakota that use that, and see how it wraps the name and the state around the arcs. Kind of a neat little thing that some of you have asked for. There's a video on that for arc-aligned text. It's out on our YouTube channel. The videos, of course, are all available under Evaluate, TPC Online Videos. I'm going to open this in a new tab here real quick. And we can see that there's a 2014 R2 tab here and 3 new videos out here for you to look at. We also extended the predetermined area tool, and you can now compute areas using open and closed point-to-point traverses. They used to have to be a closed traverse to close the figure. TPC now will take a look at the traverse and say, oh, it's open, but I can force the closure and then do the area computation. So that's in there. There's a new feature called Traverse Decimals. There's a video for it. It's about 5 minutes long. And basically, I can control decimals now by traverse. So in the traverse view, in the reports, in the closure view, anything related to this one particular traverse, I can set the decimal places. There's even a new tool in the Traverse Manager to update the traverse formats for multiple traverses at a time, just like we do traverse settings. Kind of another neat feature you've asked for. Select a drawing object. So we can now select objects in a drawing, and they show up in the what list. If you're familiar with that, that's how we select what items we want to work on in COGO, so rotating, translating, relabeling points, all that sort of thing. I can pick objects in the drawing. TPC will then go look at which points are associated with those, and those are the points that will be rotated or translated, whatever. Well, we use this what list now in the Insert Existing Points dialog in the Traverse view. So I can pull this list down and have all kinds of ways of inserting points into a traverse. And of course, there's a video on that as well. A few other little features we put in here. There's some great ways to reset default values when you're working with the settings in TPC. We added some missing help topics you let us know about. There's also a direct link to the support page on our website. And we added a screen sharing tab to our website. So if you want to come into support, you can click on the screen sharing and learn about the software you need to download so we can log into your computer directly. So those are the neat little things that are here in Release 2. Again, available to our TPC Connection members only, and available first week in October 2014.